Hello, everyone. My name is Edward Murray, and this is my video review for the final project of MUX 1309. So this week we took our prototyping of our application and transferred it over to Objective-C to make kind of the shell of the native iOS application. So you can see here I have my native iOS app pulled up on the simulator. I have my four buttons for the different sections on the front. Um, see, clicking on NFL news just pulls up the generic NFL news page, and then the home button transitions back to the home page or the main place. You got the fantasy players with the two navigation buttons up top. Then you got the plus button that pulls up the section to add more players. The done button just kind of goes back to the previous page, and then the home page pops back to the uh, main page. And then we have the fantasy football, same thing. You notice transitioning into the other views, it does sort of a scroll from bottom to top, and then going home, it kind of just snaps back to the home page. I thought that was a little more aesthetically pleasing of a transition than for the constantly transition from the bottom back to the home page. It just didn't work right. And then down here, I got rid of the share with your friends and went to just the standard share icon with the box and the arrow, and that pulls up kind of just a little small portion at the bottom with Facebook and Twitter on it, and then the close button gets rid of it. Um, so what went well and didn't go well while building the native app? Everything went pretty good, pretty smooth. Some of the things that were a little bit of trouble were using these button images. For some reason, the Xcode kept some of them would be normal looking like this, and then or all of them look normal in the nib file, but then when putting it on the simulator, like these two would be normal, and then these would have the generic button here to the right, and then this would be squished. I don't know why it was doing that, but ultimately I was able to get it fixed. Let's see what aspects of your application were best presented as native components. Um, I think all of it is a lot better representative as native components as opposed to the prototyping with just solid images and you make clickable areas. There's a lot more things you can do with it. Like down here, you can have this pop up and pop down instead of it just having to transition to a completely new view and image. Um, what aspects of your application were customized to create a new, unique brand? Everything in my application was customized. There's custom background image, custom button images. I did a custom logo. All these home buttons are all custom. All of these little backgrounds are custom. So everything in this app is pretty much custom. What aspects of your application integrity were easily translated into Objective-C? All of it was pretty much easy to transition. I love using Xcode, especially the nib files and just kind of placing all the buttons and background images and everything uh, that way using the interface builder um, is pretty easy. And the last question: how satisfied are you with your experience and performance in this class? I think I'm super satisfied. I had a lot of fun this month, just learning some of the other aspects of building an app, like doing user testing and accounting for different variables like light and sound and you know awkward situations and everything like that. So I'm super satisfied with the experience and how I did in performance wise in this class. And I look forward to moving forward and learning more about the data and functionality side of applications. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully, everybody else enjoyed this class as much as I did, and I look forward to next month.